everyone, I'm Lina. Welcome back to English with Lina. So the topic today is about pronunciation. I will share with you a few tips to improve your English pronunciation. Alright, so these are the things I'm going to cover. First is the importance of accurate pronunciation. Second is the IPA, and last I will share with you some tips to improve pronunciation my way. Okay, so the importance of accurate pronunciation. Certainly, it's gonna make you sound more like a native speaker. And second, it can help you to be easily understood while communicating in English. And speaking of which, when you are speaking to a business partner or a native speaker, if you have better pronunciation, it can boost your confidence. Okay, second one is the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. The reason why you should use this one is because in English, some letter does not represent the same sound. For example, looking at letter A, in these different words, you have cat, play, ago, prepare. Okay, so they all have different pronunciation, alright? Sometimes you may want to note down the English pronunciation in your native language. Sometimes it works out fine, but sometimes it's not, because maybe your native language does not have the same sound as what English has. Maybe let's say in Vietnamese, we don't have the sound j, the, and many more. Okay, here comes the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet, as the ultimate solution to this problem. It consists of 44 symbols, which includes 12 vowels, 8 diphthongs, 24 consonants. And I will put down 2 interactive phonemic charts in the description box so you can check them out and try to copy the sound. Alright, last one, how to improve English pronunciation Lina's way. Alright, I have mentioned this so many times in my previous videos that you should be active all the time in your learning journey. And again, you should actively learn how to pronounce words. Maybe any words that around you, you hear it from anywhere, you read it on the news or you see it on the street, maybe you have seen it in a TV commercial. And the word that you're gonna learn to pronounce, of course, it could be a new word or it could be a word that you knew the definition, but you are not 100% sure of its pronunciation. Then go ahead and check it out. You can use reliable dictionaries like Oxford or Cambridge dictionaries, or you can even go on Google and search like this. So you can search the word with meaning, or the word with definition, and the word with pronunciation. And they normally would show you, and they would show you both American and British pronunciation. On Google, you can also have very useful features like they have the mouth movement like this, and also the practice speaking feature, which you can use to help you. So the learning process gonna go like this. You hear the pronunciation, and then you repeat the pronunciation until you feel satisfied. And then you use your Google practice to check whether or not your pronunciation is accurate. And last one, you should actually use it. Try to fit that word in different contexts until it becomes yours. And you're gonna repeat this learning cycle with any new word that you encounter. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, guys. Please click the subscribe button.